Do you ever feel like your days are packed with back-to-back meetings and you barely have time to breathe, let alone get anything done? Well, trust me, you're not alone. But what if I told you there was a way to get some of your time back without sacrificing your productivity or your relationship with your colleagues? A way to end your meetings early just by a little bit so you have a bit of time in between to catch up, prepare, or even just relax. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to default each meeting in Outlook to finish early by 5 minutes and how this can make a huge difference to your workday. So stay tuned. Let's get into this. We're going to go through this first in the traditional Microsoft Outlook desktop app, and then we're going to go through it in the new desktop app as well. So you can see here, we are in the traditional Microsoft Outlook desktop app. And the first thing we're going to do is go up to the right-hand corner and select on File and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Options, the second one from the top. This is going to open up a dialog box, and on the left-hand side, it says General, Mail, Calendar, all that sort of stuff. We're simply going to select on Calendar. And now we're going to scroll down to where it says Calendar Options, and you'll see here, there is the second tick box that says Shorten Appointments and Meetings, and we're going to turn that on. Now, we're going to select the appointments and meetings to end early, which is set there by default. If it's less than an hour, it is default going to go by 5 minutes shorter, so a 30-minute meeting turns to a 25-minute meeting. If it's an hour or longer, you can default this by 10 minutes. I'd actually, really up to you decide, but I'd even keep a 5-minute gap in between both. But for this example, I'm actually going to leave it on 10 minutes, and I'm going to select OK. And it's really that simple. Now let's jump over to our calendar and see how this looks. So I'm going to open up a brand new meeting. And what you'll see here is that where it says the start and the end time, it's defaulted from 9 a.m. to 9:25 instead of 9 to 9:30. And if I stretch this out over an hour period, you'll see it's defaulted from 9 to 9:50, giving you that 10-minute buffer. So it's really, really easy to turn this on. And once it's there, it's on by default. Now let's jump into the new Outlook and see how to do it from here. So now we're over in the new Outlook and we are in the calendar section. What we'll do here is on the right-hand side in the top corner, we're going to select on the settings cog, and this is going to open up a new settings menu. On the left-hand side of that, second from the bottom, we're going to select on calendar, and then we're going to go down to where it says events and invitations, which is the second menu and the second from the top. And from here, we're going to scroll down to where it says shorten duration for all events. We're going to tick this button, and then you have the option of shorten duration for all events. It's default set to end events early, but you could choose to start events late. And then of course, for a meeting that is less than an hour, you have the option of 0, 5, 8, or 10 minutes. And then meetings that are 1 hour or longer, you can choose 0, 5, 10, or 15 minutes. Once you're happy with your two options, simply select on save. And now X out of our calendar. And now if I go ahead and open up a new meeting invite, you see here it's defaulted by 5 minutes shorter. And then of course, if I do this for an hour meeting or longer, it's defaulted again. You'll see there, instead of 3 to 4, it's 3 to 3:50. And there you have it. It is that easy to shorten the meeting invitations that you send and get back a little bit of time in between each meeting. And this can help you reduce your stress, improve your focus, and of course, increase your productivity. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you want to supercharge your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.